Anyways, welcome people to our first official podcast. Our first episode. We have our executive producer, Richard Cage.
Cheers.
Hey, no applause? Okay. And we have my man Zuno. And we have my man Ferny.
Yo, yo.
And it's me, as always, is Javier Rodriguez. So today we're going to start off with I guess it was a person that commented on Facebook the last time. So we should talk about paranormal phenomena.
Yeah.
So what do you think about that?
I experienced something about.
Get onto the mic.
I experienced something in that regard lately. I've been seeing things. My daughter has been seeing things around the house. One night, basically, she barged into the room. And
Now, how old is she?
She's 17.
All right.
So she's not a little baby. So she came in and she was scared because she felt something like an entity.
An entity.
An entity.
Entity.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. And?
Well, it was just let her sleep with us, but I've been experiencing things with my wife. It's like basically all the time. It's like I have to wake her up because she's having like
Nightmares.
real bad
Real
nightmares.
Okay.
And so
this entity that she thinks that she feels, what's that feeling she feels? Is it a good feeling, a weird feeling, a bad feeling, a scared feeling?
Oh, right.
Scared.
So she's feeling scared.
Yes,
Okay.
like scared. She doesn't sleep with us anymore. Like when she was a little baby, but now she's like she leaves the door open now, and before it's like, oh, this is my privacy. Like I'm closing the door.
Well, yeah, she's at that age, pues. Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
So
they want to have a little privacy.
Yeah.
But now she's like trying to open the door, so if we pass by, at least we got a visual on her.
Okay.
So she's
Get closer to the mic.
really scared.
Yeah. No. Have you ever had an experience? You know what? Wait, before we start. So if anybody knows me, like you know me, everybody knows me. I'm a hard believer of facts. Show me the evidence.
Let me see.
Yeah,
Let me
show
see
me.
it.
Show me. Don't tell me. Right. So, in my experience, I have to actually see it, bro. Like see it, like in front of me, like Ghostbusters like the movie, you know. You're watching, you gotta see the ghost. You could examine it. You could talk to the bug. Like, you okay? Like, hey, I heard the knocking at night. I heard this and that. I'm like, dude, what the? That ain't shit, bro. That could be your neighbor.
It could be anything.
Yeah, it could
It could be the
anything.
house cracking.
See, bro, it could be a bunch of shit, you know.
Yeah.
So, I mean, like me, I need evidence. I mean, don't come at me with, I had a feeling and the back of my hair stood up. Y la chingada. Me puse horny.
Puede ser un pedo torado.
Sí, bro, es que no sabes, güey. You don't know, güey. ¿Y tú, güey?
So me, I'm with you, man. I'm not too. I'm curious. You know, I mean, I don't. But you know, my house. So my house, the one, you know, my old house. There was a few people, not me, but it's like you say. Like I always blame it on the wood, the cracking of the wood. It's an older home.
Yeah.
You know, so but check this out though. Like I have this house, and then I started having plumbing problems. So I hired this plumber, right? It's fucking plumber.
Yeah. Tu compa.
So-
Tu compa.
Well, yeah. So this guy.
That's another story.
That's another podcast right there.
But this guy doesn't know anything. He don't know anything. He's a neighbor. No, it's not compa.
You still talk to him?
No.
Fue para la compa. Fue para la compa.
Se quedó como 6 meses.
So
Ever since you found out.
so this guy starts working in my house. He starts working on the plumbing, right?
All right.
So I leave, right? I take off to the store.
Yeah.
You know, half hour, whatever.
Yeah.
So I come back and like everything's open, bro. Like the doors are open.
So el vato te robó, bro.
No, hold on, no, like everything's like the blinds, everything's open. And I go, dude, what? So he's inside this room, right? Where he's working on the plumbing
Solo.
Okay.
by himself, and I go, bro, what's with all the stuff open, bro? The windows and everything. He's like, ¿sabes qué? Aquí se siente algo bien fuerte.
A la
So
madre.
the guy felt
This
something.
guy, yeah, so I'm like, pues que te ayude a paliar. Entonces,
Apúrate,
no,
cabrón.
pues que te haga un paro, you know? You know what I mean? So I was like, he's like, no, like, siento algo aquí, you know?
Like a bad feeling.
Yeah, like, siento algo bien fuerte.
More like
you
a
know?
tension. Like
Yeah,
a tension. Like,
so, and this guy, he doesn't, you know, he
Yeah.
doesn't know my house. He doesn't, so
Yeah, but he felt something.
he found something. So I was like, whatever, dude. Like I said, again.
and that was after the little cracks and creaks of the
Yeah,
the
that's just been
house.
going on forever. It's
Okay.
been going on, dude. But
Okay.
you know, so then now they, you know, years later, I sell my house, right? And one of my friends, my comadre, Mel G, the one that was
Yeah.
saying about
Hey,
the
yeah.
Shout out to Mel G.
Mel G.
Mel G, bro,
So,
the topic. Thank you.
It was Mel G.
So,
the topic?
yeah, Mel G,
All right,
yeah.
yeah. Shout out to you, girl.
So she comes. We're gonna have dinner, right? We're gonna.
Oh, pues te la traes, bro. Aquí
So,
comemos todos.
So we're gonna get
No
together.
te
right?
cae
So-
comer a ti, güey.
So she comes in. She gets here early. She's from Palm Desert, right? So,
Yeah.
And I go, hey, you're actually here early. I still got some cleaning up to do in the garage, right? She's like, no worries, I'll help you, right? So I go, you know
Nice.
what? I'll show you the house, you know. So, so I show her the house, right? So whatever, we take the little tour, whatever. So we go have dinner, and later on, the topic comes up again. Who knows? But I go, hey, well, by the way, did you feel anything in the house? You know, because, you know, she goes, you know what? I didn't want to tell you, but yes,
Oh, shit.
I felt something. I
bro.
felt something from that room, that one where the plumber, from that room to the hallway into the restroom.
Damn.
You know, and I go. He's like, I don't know. You just feel something.
Yeah.
But again, it's people that
Yeah,
that
yeah.
never been there to my house. You know,
Yeah.
hey,
So they don't know the backstory.
And I think
Is there a backstory? Or?
I don't know.
Well, you bought that house, it was already used down.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, it's an older home.
no
So
había gente.
and if I remember, dude, I think even el Maniacs,
Okay.
el 120, he
Yeah,
said.
shout out to Ed
Maniacs.
Alvarez.
Ed Alvarez, bro. Count Chocula.
So the one time that we were at the bonfire, we were drinking. They went to the restroom, and he told me, "¿Sabes qué, Pepilla? We saw something." Yeah, dude, yeah. And I go, "What you see?" He's like, "Dude, we saw like some kind of shadow or something."
Ay, you see,
But like I
wait,
said, I don't
yeah,
like
wait,
myself. Like I gotta
no,
see
no,
it myself.
a mí
the
no-
thing
a mí no
is,
me-
bro,
no me pasa
that's
eso,
too many
bro.
coincidences right there.
That's what I'm saying.
That's
though,
too
but-
many. That's too many without no telling no nothing. I mean, there's people telling you there's a feeling, and there's actually visual evidence of that.
And then
Plus,
somebody that doesn't know anything about the backstory.
exactly,
Yeah.
dog.
These are just people that just get invited to your house.
Like
and,
Gabi over here, he wants the evidence.
I want proof.
And
I want to
like,
be able
Can
to.
you see wind?
What
No,
the
you
fuck?
can't see
Wait,
wind, but
you
it's
can
there.
feel it.
But you exactly, they're feeling things.
No,
You feel
no,
things,
no,
bro. It's the same thing in a
No,
different
look,
level.
no. I understand what you're saying, wait. Now, wind, it could be measured. It could be studied. Wait.
También, this energy can be measured as well.
Yes.
they got their whole
Exactly.
yeah.
They got their little boxing devices.
You had a
and all
story,
that.
no? You had a story too?
Yeah,
Wait, well,
I did,
how old
but
are you?
Are you done?
No,
No, yeah, go for it. It was just,
we
yeah, I don't
done?
want to, you
Okay.
know.
Hey, we're riffing.
Yeah, I don't want, you know.
Do it.
Going, it's too little fast, bro.
No, you
No,
like
other
it.
time.
No. Let's take
All
our
right.
time, wait.
So yes, I do have a story. This happened when my son was I think barely born, months old, bro. We had barely. No, we already had a house here in El Centro, and our AC broke. So
No,
it
bro,
was
that's when they come out, bro.
it was the freaks at night.
Hace calor. Hace calor.
come out at night.
Hace calor. Es cuando salen, bro.
No, carnal.
Turn it back on.
So I
No,
mean,
prende el aire, bro.
deja hablar,
No, I'm sorry,
pinche
sorry,
gordo.
sorry.
So our AC broke. Okay, it was a 2-story home, so it was hot upstairs. So we slept downstairs in a mattress in the living room. Me and my baby and my ex-wife at the time.
Yeah.
And so we're asleep. Okay, my baby's like 3 months old barely, and This was I don't recall what time it was. I don't want to say 3 because that's so
Yeah,
fucking,
that's
cliche.
so
way.
movie way.
So cliche, bro.
3 in the morning is when it all started.
Okay, so but it was middle of the night, early morning. I just hear these loud kicks in my front door.
Oh shit.
So painting the picture, you go my front door, you open the door, and that's where we're sleeping in the living room. It's it's
right
a
there.
beeline
like,
straight.
like a few feet away.
Yeah. So the kicks were so hard, bro, that we had a frame, a picture, a huge frame next to the door, and it knocked it down.
Oh, the
Wow.
kicks.
The kicks or the something, the
The
banging,
bumps.
the hits of
The
the
bumping
front
in
door.
the night.
So me thinking someone's breaking in. Okay, run to the kitchen, get a knife.
Hey, bro.
I'm
Bro.
killing these
A
motherfuckers.
knife,
Yeah, bro.
we.
They ain't coming out.
What the fuck?
Get a knife. I go over there, kind of peek through the window. Nothing. Okay. So at the time, I have my ex brother-in-law was a CHP, so I call him up. Hey, someone was trying to break in. I didn't want to call the cops yet. Someone was trying to break in. Bring your piece. Come over here and let's
secure the area.
Secure the area. Comb the backyard. Make it safe. See what's up.
Did you open the door?
No, I didn't. I haven't opened the door yet. So he comes. He gets here. He calls me. He shines the light on the front that he's here. So that's when I open the door. We talked to him. I told him what happened. All right. We went to the backyard. Everything around the property. We had a park in front of us, so it was dark. So we went to the fucking park. Flashlight, everything. No one's there. Nothing. So I go back. Okay. I go back in, trying to calm down my ex-wife and everything. Baby's asleep, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're inspecting what the fuck happened, what hit the door. So I'm expecting
Yeah, footprints.
footprints in the door or something in the door, bro.
Era yo, güey, tenía hambre.
Tocando con la panza el vato, güey.
You're always hungry.
Bunch of weight after that.
Okay.
Okay. So there. So we're looking for evidence to see what the fuck happened. Okay, nothing. So whatever, we comb everything. We went home, closed the door, didn't call the cops, nothing. Went back to sleep. Woke up next day. Okay. My door is one of those artificial wood doors. It's kind of like aluminum.
Yeah, tan como empty del medio, no?
They're light aluminum doors,
Yeah,
bro,
yeah.
that come with the house and stuff.
Yes.
So I'm there and I'm gonna go to work. I was working swing shift at the time at our job, and I noticed an indentation
Oh shit.
through the inside.
Through the inside.
Through the inside. So I'm like, what the fuck? So
Through the inside, bro.
So
Yeah.
it comes to mind, like, what the fuck? Okay. So I put 2 and 2 together. I spoke to my ex. Hey, look what the fuck I found and whatever. And that's just crazy, bro. Like,
So ya con eso.
whatever hit the door, hit it from the
The
inside.
inside. Yeah.
Okay. And it hit it with a force that
Yeah,
knocks down
para hacerle un dent y el otro para tumbar. Yeah.
a big ass frame. So after that, we started feeling things. We started feeling back of the head, all these normal things, you know, the tension,
Normal.
bro. Normal things for paranormal activity.
Yeah.
Shit. So I noticed upstairs we don't leave windows open. Okay, we don't left the draft in, nothing. At the time, we did have windows open because the AC was broken. Okay, fucking doors closing by themselves.
You seen them.
It
You
could-
seen them.
No, I heard them. They're upstairs. Okay, doors closing by themselves. I hear them or whatever that sound. And I'm like, what the fuck? Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking, like, it's the creaks or whatever. It's the wind, the windows open, the draft, whatever. And I didn't notice things until I started seeing the kitchen cabinets open.
I know, mames.
Yeah, bro. The kitchen cabinets
Damn.
would open.
Like you were in front of the cabinet y boom, se
yes,
estaba
wait,
abriendo
in
y
the living
cerrando.
room. I would be in the, you know how my living room and my kitchen was there? The living room. And not only one cabinet, bro. I'm getting the chills talking about it right now.
No, te pones horny.
Not over. That's all the time.
Te pones horny.
Bien herny. It's herny.
Bien horny.
Okay.
So
Está Está todo interesado, güey.
Yeah.
So, no. Pero,
I wanna
okay,
know.
yeah, no, go ahead.
Not
go
only
ahead.
one cabinet at a time, bro. I would see 2 cabinets open.
No mames.
So I'm like,
We should name this podcast, wait. No mames.
no mames, güey.
It's like,
But those are the few things that I did. So after that, bro, I mean, everything was uneasy.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
issues actually did start coming up in the marriage.
Yeah.
And things I can't explain.
Wait.
I won't blame it on that.
So
You know?
coming as our expert teacher, educated bachelors, ex-marine masters.
Ex-marine.
Applause, masters.
That's right, baby.
Esta madre no lo hace cualquiera, bro. Y lo de Mexicali. So, doing all that way, ¿tú qué piensas, bro? Like, what are the answers, bro? Is it something that we can't explain?
I can explain it.
Get close to the mic.
I can explain it. It's definitely something I believe that is paranormal.
Gracias.
Thank you for answering our lost answers.
Oh,
No.
gracias.
Hold on.
Oh.
I'm just like.
Oh, you're collecting your thoughts.
Stating the fact. The first fact is that I believe is paranormal.
Yeah.
And seeing or hearing what you said, you saw the 2 cabinets opening at the same
In front of his
time.
face. Güey.
It's like it's you can't fake that. And
I don't know. Wait. No.
this is what I do when I feel something about like paranormal or something like that. Like I get pissed off and I say, "Hey, motherfucker! if you're gonna be here,
Bro.
you gotta pay rent."
You can laugh at that all you want. I did the same thing, bro.
No, yeah.
I yelled at that motherfucker. I yelled, "Hey, get out of here! You're not wanted. You're not welcome."
Hey, wait, you're yelling at air, fool.
Yes, hey, but
Al
it sounded
aire.
crazy, but it's to the point that you need to.
Hey, dude, I see tons of videos, dude, and I'm like, nah. I mean, I don't know.
Pero videos de qué, güey? De cosas
Like,
moviéndose.
Yeah, no. Like I see a lot of like the nukes top 5 like paranormal activity and shit. But
yeah.
but like I said before, I couldn't watch that. Now I watch it and I don't know, bro. It's still like I said, I have to fucking see it for myself. You know?
Yeah, güey, es un pedo. Like I don't believe that. Güey.
You know.
I have to actually like be able to record, see it, güey, and que se siente conmigo, hable, güey, ¿qué onda? Saca una birria, oh, vamos, hey, vamos.
Yeah, vamos.
Vamos.
Pay the fucking rent.
Sí, güey, pero así, güey, no, just like that, güey, I don't know.
Just because you hear something, it's like, oh, let's get
Talking
out
to
of
the
here.
mic, right?
Yeah, or let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Let's move.
Yeah.
Just
No,
like
you're not
that.
gonna. I wouldn't move because of that, bro. I wouldn't let that chase me out of my home, whatever.
No?
Fuck no.
No, that's
bro.
what I said. I said, you know what?
Hell
Nah,
no.
I'm not
I
gonna
live here.
That's right. Sure.
You might have lived here, but you're dead, bro.
Hey, wait, you're jumping to conclusions.
Hey, wait, it is what it
güey.
is, bro.
No,
It's
there's no is what it
It
is.
is, bro, because it's something that.
Hey, wait, te estás brincando. You're jumping from something like, a noise to someone being dead, güey.
There's
Like,
physical.
somebody being dead, güey. Like, it's a ghost. Like, ya le estás poniendo nombre, bro.
What if it's not something that's dead? What is something we don't understand?
No, por eso
bro?
digo, güey, tienes miedo a los vivos, bro. Es lo que decía mi jefa, güey. My mom used
Por
to say
eso
that all
no
the
les
time.
tengo miedo.
No,
No les tenía miedo. No, yo me voy a mover por esa madre.
Yeah,
güey.
yeah, yeah.
Like, I'm not afraid of that.
Yeah, bro. Eso me no, güey.
I mean,
What I would do is at least get some holy water.
y luego le
just-
pones tu penis
No.
pump y se la inflas, güey.
Well, at least. Well, that's my suggestion.
Hey, I'm gonna post a picture that Richard sent me of a pump.
And it's purple, by the way.
Hey, why not?
He's like, hey, we gotta talk about this tomorrow. I'm like, no mames, güey.
Penis pump, güey. Madre, güey. El tamaño de la pinche.
Con 2 cabezas, güey.
It's a 2-headed snake.
Sí, bro.
Now I'm blushing.
I'm blushing, güey. Yeah. Ay, bro.
Güey,
that's
¿con
good,
qué
güey.
mano la inflas, güey? All right.
So I just want to tell the people we started our YouTube channel. It's now online.
Yes,
It's
sir.
the Midlife Boys podcast.
Midlife Boys.
Midlife Boys. You can find it on YouTube. We want to encourage people to get on our Facebook, our personal Facebook. We're gonna start a midlife boys Facebook and Instagram, all that good stuff.
I'm on that.
Okay,
Just give me
so
time.
we're gonna do all that and send us your suggestions. Send us
Comments.
any ideas, comments.
Experiences.
Yeah, experiences. No way. So, dude, it's just hard to believe, bro.
And most important, let me say, feedback on us. Feedback on this,
Yeah.
what we can improve on, what we could do different. Something.
Oh, and shouts out to the barbers that are listening to us. What are the guys?
Headquarters, bro. Gabriel Benitez, longtime friend. Lined me up today for free.
I don't know. Well, it's for free. I don't know.
Something's going on right
He gave
there.
me a shirt too, bro, but
Oh,
I forgot it in the car.
Shit, we would've put
I'm
it right
sorry.
there in the
I
front,
know,
bro. We would've
Next
put it right
time,
there.
next time
Yeah.
I'll get
Hey,
you guys
shouts out
in.
to you guys, man. Thank you for listening, man.
And his little homie next to him too. He's 19-year-old. I forgot his name, bro. I'm sorry. Cool as fuck, dude.
Yeah?
Cool dude. 19 years old. Has a bright future right there.
That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
Qué bueno.
Anything else? Anything? Oh, come on, bro. Saca. Tú tienes otra historia. Material. Tú, güey.
Tienes materia.
You got anything to talk about or what?
Well, I already gave my
Opinion.
my story,
I'm gonna go get a drink.
my daughter's story, and but in regards to like spirits and stuff, it's like I've been dealing with those things since I was 9.
I'm good, bro.
I've been experiencing my wife, my mom used to worship the devil.
Wait. Let me get back, güey.
Okay.
Let me get back. Espérate.
So
Espérate.
Where did this come
Hey,
from, bro?
You know,
Okay.
this on a cage, güey.
it's,
Pero, güey, traía...
it's like
Espérate. Let's get back to this.
Okay.
Okay, let's get back to
You gotta
this.
rewind that,
Dude,
bro.
we're getting beers.
Worship the devil?
My mom
Yes.
used to worship the devil.
You popped that on us right now.
See, bro, like, you couldn't
Nah,
start off with that,
that should have
güey.
been the pop. Like, hey, by the way, my mom worshipped the devil before we speak
¿Sabes
about
qué,
this,
bro?
Like,
Iba a la escuela, me daban lonche y my mom worshiped the devil.
así nomás.
sí, güey, sí me acuerdo. Era un peanut butter and jelly sandwich, güey.
Shot at the devil.
So yes, she used to make me do things with her, like
sacrifices?
spells, and
ritual.
Shut the fuck up, Cage.
and we did something in Los Angeles, and that same night.
Wait. Before you
Espérate,
say something, don't say someone died or
Building
nothing.
started on fire, and everybody like the whole building was evacuated and shut down.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, wait, my mom worshiped the
Hey.
devil, way.
It's like I just injected that. True story.
Yeah,
Okay.
no worries. No mames, güey. That's crazy, güey.
It is.
¿Qué onda, güey? Hey, what other?
Hey, wait. How can we follow that?
That's it, bro.
How can we follow, like, I don't even want to tell another ghost story, bro.
Hey, wait,
Like,
no. My
your mom was a devil worshiper,
Hey, so
dog.
está
like-
bueno las hamburgers del hamburger stand. No mames, güey.
Mi mamá quemó una hamburger stand una vez.
Sí, güey.
Hey, going back to Mel G.
Oh, Mel G.
So-
shout out to Mel G.
Mel-
So she said that a long time ago, she was renting this little like rundown apartment or a house over in Coachella Valley, and she lived there for a long time, and she said especially, well, she was like in the restroom, in the shower.
Mañoso el
Yeah. Pícaro el vato.
Oh,
you know,
son de los
so-
míos, güey.
Jaina.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
salía, I don't know, I guess she was a shadow or, you know.
Pero estaba naked a Mel B.
Y sí, ya estaba
Wait.
sí, en pelotas.
She was
desnuda.
yeah.
Okay.
So,
You can find her on Facebook.
Hey, no
Was
se
there,
puede.
pero-
was there a picture?
So no, but she would tell me that she would tell him like, hey, like, leave me alone, man. Like,
Yeah.
at least let me fucking shower in peace, man.
Yeah.
So this went on for years, man, right? So finally she decides to move, and she still has her washer and dryer in this place, right? So
Uh-huh.
her niece is like, hey, I need to do some laundry. She goes, I still have my washer and dryer in my place. If you want to go, it's empty, right? So she goes over. And then while she's doing her laundry, she's like, hey, tia, I mire algo, like, alguien anda aquí.
Oh,
He's
shit.
like, oh, and then now she tells, like, oh, see, mija, like, this it's been going on since I lived there. Like, there's somebody in there, like,
And then
like,
entity.
like, you saw something, si vistes, pero no vistes, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
so it's like, what? So she's like, fuck, que pinche ropa mojada, like, I'm out of here, and so, I don't know, bro,
No, it's somebody. I don't know, way. I mean, it's hard for
Yo,
me.
yo
to believe,
también,
güey.
güey, I
It's
gotta,
hard, way.
I gotta see it, bro. I gotta see it.
Don't come at me, way, with a story, way. You gotta show me, way. You
Yeah.
gotta show me. No más decir, hey, se abrieron los gabinetes y los
At the end
Se
of the
cayó el
day,
pan.
güey,
Sí, se cayó el
at the end
pan
of the day,
y una barra se
I
llenó.
experienced what I experienced,
Yeah, of
and
course.
No,
I
pues
felt
sí.
what I felt,
Yeah.
and I mean that's a given for me. I'm like, yeah, there is something
There's
out
something
there.
else.
Yeah, everyone's entitled to their own
Yeah.
opinion
Yeah, of course.
and their own evidence
A
and all
huevo, a
that.
huevo.
blah,
Damien,
I mean,
Damien, that was Damien's room, and he would.
Hey, no, now, for those that don't know, Damien is not the son of the devil. Don't laugh so hard on the mic. güey.
So,
hey, it's not Cage's brother.
and he would tell me too. He said, "Oh, like, I actually feel somebody sitting at the edge of my bed.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
When you sit on the edge of your bed, like to tie your
wait,
shoes.
pero-
Hey, wait,
but-
would that be a coincidence?
No, mira,
No?
there's stories.
The Omen?
Se llama sleep paralysis.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Where you
Yeah.
experience that shit. Okay, you experience not being being
What
able
do
to
you
move.
believe that happens?
Yes.
¿Cómo que do I believe that happens?
No.
Yeah, it's studied way.
Has it happened to you?
Yes,
So, how
then-
do you believe in that if it's never happened to you?
it's happened to me.
Oh, you-
Sleep paralysis, yes.
O no hagas que no te pudiste parar.
No se peguen al mic cuando se rían.
Going back to the story of my wife, it's like now she sleeps when I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning, and so
Da la cabeza al revés.
so I turn on the lights for the hallway stuff
And I'll
like
glow.
that, so she could feel comfortable because
yeah.
she's
She's feeling uneasy.
yes, and she
Con
has
gases.
like episodes that she can't breathe, and she wakes up at random times at night.
Pues ya no la andas ahorcando, güey.
Güey, pues
Con todo
déjala
el día,
Pero,
güey.
bro.
hey, ¿duerme con calcetines o no?
What the fuck? What up?
I don't know.
Hey, Mel B, ¿qué onda con tu compadre?
Hey, a lo mejor,
Oh,
¿Qué?
Los calcetines la andan ahorcando, güey.
and I have to wake her up because it's like I could hear everything even though I have my earphones. I sleep with the earphones, and I could hear like things that go bump in the night. Sometimes with my daughter at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the morning.
Pick up the mic.
And but with this thing, my wife she experiences at random times all night long. It's like a paranormal activity.
All night long, all night.
So that's what I have to say.
No, no,
If you don't believe it, it's up to you.
Do you
but
believe it?
I believe it because I've experienced it
Yeah.
myself, and I have a little
Okay.
backstory on that.
And what have you done to try to alleviate all this, to
To
try
minimize.
to minimize the feelings, the encounters, lo que haces? O sea, ¿qué haces, güey?
Quema sage o
I
algo.
pray.
Nah.
Sí, güey.
I pray
Mhm.
and I ask God to help us, sleep better, and
Mhm.
especially since she can't sleep when that happens.
mic.
When that happens, so I try to pray for all of us, and for God to guard, take care of us during the night, especially during the night.
And has it worked?
A little bit, yes.
Okay.
When I forget to pray,
Mm-hmm.
things happen.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Cool.
¿Qué onda, bro? ¿Qué estás pensando, bro?
Pinche Zuno anda como mirando su mic, güey.
Güey, está como, hey.
Hey, wait a minute.
Güey, huele de aquella.
¿No hay ciudad?
Let me have one of those beers.
Dale una beer, güey.
No, but especially that one is like.
O sea, quiere que tú te levantes y le agarres una corona familiar, güey.
I want to feel what he's feeling. It's like that commercial is like, I'll have what she's having.
Oh my God, I had so many comebacks on that one, bro.
Sí,
I'll
bro.
keep it. I'll keep it.
No, you don't have to keep it, bro. You could do that. You could.
I'll tone it down.
Okay.
Oh,
¿No le agarras la beer, güey?
no,
I got it.
no.
The reason why everybody's saying that, like, no. Why?
Okay, so my man, Cage, when he was in World War One.
Well, long time ago.
When he was in Korea.
Thank you.
When he was in the service, right? He was serving overseas, and he was going through not an exercise, but he actually was going through
A mission.
he was on a mission. He was like in a what do you call it?
To destroy Putin.
No. What was it? Iraq? In Iraq? Tiene todos los accolades, bro. Like I wanted to talk to him today.
Accolades. I like that.
You like that? Exactly.
Damn, bro.
So I wanted to.
Fuck
That's
those
why I spoke to you. Tiene todos los certificates.
Las aquelades, güey.
Tienes las aquelades. So that's why I wanted to talk to you earlier. Mm-hmm. That's why I asked you earlier if you have all the, paperwork. Because I don't want to say you're a war veteran. You just served y le echabas gas a los troques.
Well,
Tocaba la trompeta.
In reality,
Por atrás.
Por el hoyo grande.
In reality, I never served.
Who the fuck are you?
Hey, estaba comiendo tacos y me quebré la cabeza.
I used to get tacos for the boys.
That's cool. Hey. So today's beer, we're doing Heineken's.
Beer of the day was Heineken.
Heineken's and Coronas.
There you go. Familiar.
We also have another sponsor. Your business.
Oh yes, Elite Solar and window washing. I mean, whatever you need, solar panel cleaning, bird proofing, window washing, streak free, screens, everything done.
Yeah, bro.
I also use the spot free water. Won't damage your panels, won't damage your windows. Spick and span, baby.
Spick and span, nice and clean, homie. Tú, Zuno, no tienes nada?
Nah, I'm good, bro.
You're good?
Yeah.
Yeah? So how's work way? Good?
Yeah, it's going.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's going.
My man is working 12 hours a day, 6 days out of the week,
Long
bro.
days,
Damn.
man.
That's some 70-hour shit, bro.
That's some gray hair shit right
Oh,
there,
yeah.
bro.
I
But
said that-
hey, those gray hair look good on you.
Yeah, wait.
Thank
No,
you.
they look all right.
Hey,
They look all right. Wait.
You got that shit going
Flirt
on.
in your own time.
Calm down, because I'm not saying gray looks good on you, bro.
Pour it on your own time, Albert.
Hey, you know what? I never.
She's jealous.
So, dude, I used to, I had my job, right? I was working 70 hours a week, right?
Oh, shit.
So, yeah, bro. So,
Yeah, he used to work.
yeah, I used
So-
to. Yeah, I used to.
So yeah,
Hey.
so we could talk about a little bit, like
Yeah.
how everything's now the differences from
Yeah.
how-
Yeah.
life changing,
Yes, bro. So, the thing is.
When you got fired?
Pégate, mic, güey.
When you got fired?
Hey,
At
so
the cap?
so we have to in life, bro. We have to separate, not even separate, but know how much time we need to spend at work, how much we need for our family.
a balance.
Balance, bro.
And it's hard, bro. 'cause
Oh yeah.
You got some friends that demand some shit.
What the fuck, güey? I just
Sometimes.
make you come to do the podcast,
Hey,
güey.
it's a lot of pressure, but hey, We do what we do,
Yeah.
and we're here because we want to be.
Yes, wait.
You know what? I think if honestly, if you could tell that any person, all your loved ones, let them know how you feel. Don't feel shy or feel,
Hell no, bro,
just
yeah.
let them know because, like I said, we're here one day, and
gone the
here,
next.
exactly.
Yeah,
the
that's a
day.
good one.
I
And
have
I'll
That's a
cheers
good
to
one.
that
We have-
because
Yeah.
we have some friends that, I don't really want to say their names, but there's some friends that have been okay, and the next day you're talking about being on wheelchairs, paralyzed, like walking on canes, and
Yep.
so like I said, it's this,
Yeah, bro.
like I
Yeah.
said, like my homie Javi said, there's got to be a balance, and you just have to,
Yeah, bro.
we're here one day, the other day, who knows? Your life can change from one
The
day
thing
to the other.
is I'll add on to that. Cherish what you have in the present, okay? Because there's no past and future doesn't exist.
Hell no, it's right now,
Because
dog.
it's all in the present, and whoever you have around you is what you need to be good with. You need to be, I mean, show
that- dude,
show
yeah,
appreciation
huevo,
on that,
I
man.
know,
I mean,
yeah.
don't be afraid to love people. Don't be afraid of showing your feelings. I'm
Look,
guilty at that. I don't
People
show my
are gonna
feelings.
hurt you regardless.
Yes.
like,
Yes.
Right? People are gonna hurt you, but if you don't open up your heart and be nice to people, be
Humble,
cool.
humble.
Look, we were talking about our first day of work, right? Like when I started working where I was working, where you've been working. You ever have those guys that know that you're the new guy, bro?
Oh yeah,
That know that you're the new guy, and they just want to, I don't know, like they want to take a little bit of advantage of you,
Shit
right?
on you, basically.
Yeah, bro. Like I've
qué rico.
never ever been like that, bro. I've never ever been like that. You guys know.
oh yeah, for sure.
You guys know it.
Yeah.
You guys, all you guys know. You know.
Yes.
Like, hey, wait, every time you fucking needed help when we were at work, I was there for you guys. Now, I don't know.
But not outside work though.
No,
outside
no,
work.
no, no.
Outside working at that guy.
No, don't
You-
call,
let's
no,
like-
Don't call me if you need to move a fucking fridge
No.
or a sofa. I'm not that kind of friend. You know what I'm saying? I'm your friend at work, but don't come here to fucking,
It's a fucking 10.2 on the Richter scale over here, bro.
don't come here to move a sofa.
Yeah.
or-
Take you off my list.
Javi's a piece of shit if it comes to moving. If it comes to moving, Javi's a piece of shit, bro. But hey, I love him
Yeah.
because he'll probably buy the beer for you.
I would.
And
He
see
tells you where
see
to
you
put
move.
your sofa.
Look, wait.
I'm a $1.50, bro, and you'll see me move a fucking sofa by myself and just be kicking back, drinking a beer.
Hey, but who brought the beer?
You did.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right.
Yes.
Tying into all that, I mean, having people and noticing shit in the present. I mean, like this circle that is beside me right here.
No,
I mean,
and we're still missing some guys.
yeah,
wait.
we're still missing some
Yeah,
guys.
yeah.
Shout out to Renzori,
Ed Alvarez,
Ed Alvarez,
Josue Mendoza,
Herrero,
El Tanque, dude, all
Big
those
Tanks.
guys.
All these guys have always been here, no matter what. Like we've gotten through arguments that would probably end other people's friendships.
Yeah.
But we always find a way to, like, come
Yeah,
around.
dude. Yeah.
Everybody's an asshole in their own way, and I'm not gonna deny I can be an asshole sometimes.
Yeah, you are.
Yes, I am. Yeah, I could be a little too blunt. I could take things out of proportion, my temper, and I know I need to work on that. And
Yeah,
But
but
the
they-
good thing that you know that
You
you
recognize
have.
it,
Yeah,
also recognize it.
exactly.
I'm not perfect. No one's perfect,
No one
dude,
is.
and I'm not
¿Sabes-
ashamed to
¿sabes
say
quién es
that.
perfect? El Cage, güey.
Uh-huh.
El Cage is perfect.
It's you know what? It's cool now. I think it's nowadays it's what's different now, dude. I mean,
Dude, we're older.
we're older.
We're-
Like myself now.
We're the
Vin-
midlife boys.
You know, before like there's a lot of people that I've seen that were hungry. For when they started where we were working
Yeah.
and ranking and this and that and it's
And we all understand
and,
that,
and
bro.
it's cool, man. But
Hey,
now
you're young and dumb, fool.
I think now the way I see us,
How
or
we see
how
life
we
right
see
now.
life
Yeah.
is now focusing more on becoming a better person, a better individual,
family.
a better brother, a
Yeah, a
better
better
father,
friend,
a better
friend.
friend.
Yeah.
better husband, better boyfriend.
Going out of your
fiance.
ways. That's what makes you a friend.
Because at the end of the day, that's all we got, dude.
that's it.
That's all we
That's
got.
it.
We got our friends, our family. The job, dude. You just work to eat. Bro.
Exactly. You know
You-
what?
Remember?
Right now, that reminds me of somebody else too. Homeboy Holguin. Andrew Holguin. You know, shout out to my homeboy Andrew
Yes.
Holguin.
Yeah.
When I was out there trucking, we call each other, and he's one of the guys that.
Dude, I was the one that was on the phone with you too.
Yeah. And
Call him my boy.
it's cool that he would say, you know what, man, I like you said, who cares about my job right now? I'm just worried about becoming a better father and a better husband,
Better person, bro.
better person, and that's cool, man.
Yeah.
That's cool to hear that, you know.
Dude,
And money isn't everything.
I know
Yeah.
that.
Yeah,
Know
you
that.
should say that, asshole.
Well, I work my
Yeah, no, and you deserve every cent you
work
get,
my
bro.
ass off.
Yeah.
But I paid it with blood, basically.
Exactly.
Yeah, carnal.
It's like I used to work in one or two, three places at the same time. My own business.
Prostitution.
And Adams.
I did that for free.
His business.
It's a hobby.
His business was called Face Down, Ass Up.
His face.
Face down,
Face
ass
down,
up.
My is,
Enterprise LLC.
Cages,
is,
Faces, Enterprises.
open cheeks.
Te abro las mejillas.
Open cheeks.
En español, te abro las mejillas.
Ven y mata este puño de ligas. .com.
Ven y mira este beso de abuela.
Yeah, so we're going to finish up this episode. We're going to finish up this episode with a thank you.
Ven y mata esta araña muerta ya, güey.
Sí, cabrón.
Ven y mira este cenizo.
Tú también, cabrón.
So visit us at Midlife Boys Podcast on YouTube. We're gonna open up a Facebook, Instagram. If you want, you can look us up on Facebook on our personal accounts. Shoot us some comments. Shoot us some ideas. If you want to come and visit, if you want to be a sponsor, let us know.
Shit, maybe we can get a little thirsty going on these apartments.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let us know, dude. It's a community thing. If you want to, come by, whatever. Just let us know.
Just vent, whatever.
Peace out, bro.